I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and heading straight to Privacy. Do it now. Once in Privacy, tap Tracking, because this is where Personalized adds live. You'll see Allow apps to request to track. Turn that off to stop new tracking requests, then go to Apple ID Media and Purchases to ensure your account settings match. Make sure to restart the App Store app so the changes register. This prevents cached permissions from persisting and begins applying the new privacy stance immediately. You now review individual apps. In Settings, scroll to each app and check tracking, location, camera, and microphone. Disable any that aren't essential. Once done, open each app's internal settings and look for Ad, Analytics, or Personalized content toggles. Switch those off and clear the app cache or data when available. Doing both system-level and app-level changes ensures advertisers lose identifiers. If an app offers an opt-out link or advertising ID reset, use it to force new, less targeted profiling. You finish by resetting your advertising identifier and disabling personalized ads under Settings Privacy Apple Advertising. This severs the link advertisers use. Once done, monitor your App Store and in-app ads for 24 to 48 hours to confirm reduced personalization. Make sure to force close relevant apps and restart the device so tokens refresh. If ads remain targeted, troubleshoot by revisiting app permissions, signing out and back into your Apple ID, then rebooting. That resolves most lingering sync or cache issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.